Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate follow one Instagram with my bot. This is my bot right here. With the bot, you can add unlimited Instagram account, so you can match follower on Instagram. Yeah, you can add unlimited Instagram account. In I log in Instagram. Yeah, in like this, okay, you can add policy on each account. Can add static policy or dynamic policy. Yeah, next you can match follow you choose account function. First you choose account here. What is your account? Okay. Next you set up configuration. You so this take between two action you can 10 to 20 seconds. Yeah. Transfer account if configuration error 3 times. Configuration you choose follow. Yeah. You can follow keyword or follow by account and follow by subject. Yeah, you choose by account. You enter it. Each account one line. Yeah, save. You can choose random, yeah, or in order. Each account follow from 3 to 5 account. You can allow difficult between account. You can choose allow interaction pure action. Yeah, each account live form or no form. Yeah. Next, to begin. Okay, wait few minutes, software do work.